It's no ang atong Natutugan Festival ang ma-represent sa Iloilo Province.
So dumagi na ato.
Duwa ba niya kay Iloilo?
Sir, ano ang category sa competition? Street dance?
Wala sang kategorya, duwa lang gid no float lang, which is a different and then competition and then ang aton nga street dance.
So ang float, sir, kay last year may float ang Dinagyang Festival din.
Ang Kaywayan, wala float ang dinagyan mo. Ang ginapa-float lang, FYI, ang may floats lamang, ang may historical significance ng mga cities, no? Meaning, totoo, ginatabo. Ang dinagyan, since hindi kita based on that, wala kita float. Pero may arap kita ng mga princess required to dance with the contingent. So i-surprise natin hindi si Miss Joyce ang nasa.
Hindi ako. Pero wala siya, sir, from runner-ups natin from Miss Iloilo. Ang mga princesses.
We hope. We hope. Kaya ba mo, gina-schedule pa mga scheduling nga ito. Kung dito sila ibutang ng mga nagdala o wala natin. So.
Pwede balikan ang sa Japan.
Yes, ma'am.
Pwede kami kaupod. Can you give us
Sir
a
Alan,
brief background of what is this World Expo and how significant is this for the festival na makaparticipate dito?
I can remember when the World Expo was created, no? But, since time immemorial, historically, may mga World Expos kita. The Eiffel Tower, for example, was introduced during the World Expo. Osaka, I think, will be on its second time to host the World Expo. This is only hosted every 5 years. The last World Expo was in Dubai. It was supposed to be in 2020.